When planning an adventure trip, there are several important factors to consider when taking out travel insurance. First, you need to make sure that your policy covers the activities you will be participating in. Not all policies cover adventure activities, so it is important to check the policy details before you purchase it. Second, you need to make sure that the policy provides adequate coverage for your needs. Adventure activities can be risky, so you want to make sure that you are covered in case of an accident or injury. Third, you need to make sure that the policy is affordable. Adventure travel insurance can be expensive, so it is important to compare prices from different providers before you purchase a policy. Choosing the right travel insurance policy for your adventure trip is important for several reasons. First, it can provide you with peace of mind knowing that you are covered in case of an accident or injury. Second, it can help you to avoid financial losses if you have to cancel your trip or if your belongings are lost or stolen. Third, it can provide you with access to emergency assistance services, which can be invaluable if you are traveling in a remote area. There are several types of coverage that you should consider when purchasing travel insurance for an adventure trip. These include coverage for medical expenses, trip cancellation, lost or stolen belongings, and emergency assistance. It is important to choose a policy that provides the coverage that you need, and to make sure that the coverage limits are adequate for your needs. There are several things you can do to get the best coverage for your adventure trip. First, compare prices from different providers before you purchase a policy. Second, read the policy details carefully before you purchase it, so that you understand what is covered and what is not. Third, make sure that you have adequate coverage for your needs. Fourth, consider purchasing additional coverage for activities that are not covered by your policy. If you need to make a claim on your travel insurance policy, it is important to do so as soon as possible. You should contact your insurance provider and provide them with all of the necessary information. It is also important to keep all of your receipts and documentation so that you can provide them to your insurance provider if they request them. Choosing the right travel insurance policy for your adventure trip is important for several reasons. It can provide you with peace of mind, financial protection, and access to emergency assistance services. By following the tips in this video, you can get the best coverage for your needs and ensure that you are protected if something happens on your trip.